Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare this beautiful and delicious red onion focaccia. Focaccia is a traditional oven-baked product made from a dough which is halfway between a bread dough and a pizza dough. It's usually drizzled with olive oil and topped with herbs, olives, onions and coarse salt. Focaccia bread can be eaten as it is or sliced and used for making sandwiches or as a base for all your favorite toppings. And these are the ingredients we need. Flour, I'm using a mix of whole wheat semolina and all-purpose flour. Room temperature water, olive oil, active dry yeast, sugar, salt, red onion thinly sliced, dried oregano, sea salt for sprinkling. Mix the flours and then sieve them together. Place the yeast and sugar in a small bowl or a glass, add 2 tablespoons water and leave until yeast has dissolved. Pour the remaining water in the mixing bowl, add dissolved yeast and stir mixing on medium speed. Gradually add the flour, salt, then add the olive oil. Knead for 7 to 8 minutes or until dough becomes smooth. Transfer focaccia dough to an oiled bowl or container. Cover with plastic wrap or the lid and allow to rise for 3 to 4 hours until doubled in size. After the dough has risen, fold it over on itself and press to deflate. At this point, you can either choose to proceed with the recipe and bake your focaccia, or chill the dough in the refrigerator overnight. When ready to use, remove focaccia dough from the refrigerator and cut it into 2 pieces, one larger than the other. Generously coat a baking sheet with olive oil. Place the larger piece of dough on the baking sheet and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes and come to room temperature. Once the dough has rested, press it out with your hands to fit the size of the pan. Scatter over sliced onion and the oregano, leaving the border clear. Working on a floured surface, roll the smaller piece of dough into a rectangle. edges and cut the rectangle into 6 equal strips. Arrange the strips over the onions to create a lattice design. Brush the strips with olive oil. Press around the borders with the end of a wooden spoon to seal the edges together, then sprinkle the strips with the sea salt. Let it sit and rise for 20 minutes more while you preheat the oven. Bake focaccia for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. This onion focaccia turned out delicious, crusty outside and soft inside. Red onions gives it sweetness, and the olive oil and oregano add wonderful flavors to the focaccia bread. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.